If all of a sudden your garage stopped working properly, if all of a sudden your garage stopped working properly, replace the capacitor. My garage door doesn't open all the way anymore. The problem with this garage is the motor is turning, but it needs help. It gets help from the capacitor. If the capacitor is faulty, it can't help the motor. That's why the motor quits. Label the capacitor wires. Discharge the capacitor by using a screwdriver. Wow, the new capacitor is smaller, but it still has the same 70 microfarad. Always double check your work. All right, it's time to test it. Oh yeah, it's working now. Let's see if you can close. That's right, baby. I hope this video was helpful, and please don't forget to share, like it, and leave some comments. Thank you for your support.